Maybe you will wonder why add watermarks to your content? Let me tell you something. Watermarking is the process of superimposing a logo or piece of text atop a video or image file. And it's an important process when it comes to both the copyright protection and marketing of digital works. So, how to make a watermark that works for you? A watermark could be a logo, an image, or text, and it can be as subtle or prominent on a document or photo as you like. You may want your watermark to feature copyright information, an identifier like your name or logo. There is a great tool to make watermarks. It can help you. Following this tutorial, you can quickly add watermarks to the photo or video. Step 1. Enter Watermark Cloud official website. First, you can enter the official website of Watermark Cloud, and then click Upload to see the various functions of Watermark Cloud. Step 2. Click Video Watermark. Next, in order to add a logo to the video, you just need to click Video Watermark. Step 3. Upload video to be watermark ed. Next, click plus Add Video, and you can upload the video in the local file to the Watermark Cloud. Step 4. Edit watermark. After selecting the appropriate watermark adding tool, you can edit the appropriate timestamp, and then adjust the color, font and size of the logo in the red box. Step 5. Start to add timestamp. After editing the parameters of the timestamp, you only need to click Start, and the Watermark Cloud can help you add the timestamp to the video. Step 6. Save new video. The Watermark Cloud will generate a new video for you. This new video will also be automatically saved in your local file. Learn more about the product from the official website.